Hello students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all. In this video, we will solve 4 case study questions for class 9 and for students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Navodaya Vidyalaya and other CBSE schools. This is the instructions. If you have not gone through, you can read. We will do section 2, 4 students, 4 questions of case study, which has your 5 subparts. Out of this you have to select 4 and you can do. So question number 17, it is generally 17, 18, 19, 20 of this question. Triangles are used to make the breeds because a triangle is an undeformable shape as considered to in the civil engineering field. It can hold the most force when applied to it, compared to quadrilateral and arches. Isosceles triangle were used to construct the bridge in which the base is also of an isosceles triangle is given 4 meter and the perimeter is 20 meter. You can see the figure. This yellow color is the triangle mentioned in this question. On the basis of the information, now answer the followings. What is the length of the length of equal sides of the triangle? Options are 2 meter, 3 meter, 8 meter, 10 meter. Part B is what is Heron's formula for a triangle? Options are given. You have to choose which one is the correct formula. C is what is the semi-perimeter of the highlighted triangle? That is that yellow triangle which is mentioned in the question. 30 meter, 40 meter, 10 meter, 50 meter. What is the area of the highlighted triangle? Same triangle area you will have to find out, and you have to check the option 4 under root 15, 4 meter square, under root 15 and 20 meter square. And last part is if the side of the triangle are in ratio 3:5:7, if the perimeter is 300 meter, find the area. This question is not related to exactly mentioned in the figure, but you have to answer this question. If out of these 4 above mentioned, you can't do any part. So let us go one by one now. First is what is the length of the equal side. So if you'll observe the triangle, the base is given 4 meter and the perimeter is 20. That means sum of all sides is 20 meter. So I'm taking the equal side as x. That means twice x plus 4 is equal to 20. Then twice x is equal to your 16, x is equal to 8. So other equal sides are 8 meter and 8 meter. So for part A, third part is the answer. Don't write only 3, write 8 meter also. Part B, what is Heron's formula? So for checking the formula, you have to see very minutely. So is it this correct? No. Is this correct? No. This is correct. So you will write B. For B, the answer is 3, but write down the formula also. It will be S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is S? S is the semi-perimeter. So that is asked in part C. What is the semi-perimeter of the highlighted triangle? So for this you need to find the perimeter. In the question it is mentioned when perimeter is 20, semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So half of perimeter is equal to half into 20, that will be 10 meter. So for part C, your again third part is the answer, 10 meter. Now coming to part D. What is the area of this highlighted triangle? So for this area, you need to find apply your Heron's formula. So semi-perimeter or S is already we have found out, this is 10, and directly put in the formula. So S into S minus A, 10 minus 8, S minus B again 10 minus 8, S minus C 10 minus 4. Only thing is to take the square root very correctly. So this will be 10 multiplies 2 multiplies 2 multiplies your 6. So I'm factorizing it. 2 into 5, 2 into 2, and 6 I'm writing as 2 into 3. So out of these two I'll take 1 2. Out of these two I'll take another 2, and 5 and 3 they don't have pair, so they will be multiplied within the square root. The answer is 4 under root 15 meters square. 4 under root 15. Where is the answer? This is your answer. So we'll write D, part 1 is the answer. It will be 4 under root 15 meters square. Coming to part E. If the sides of the triangle are in ratio 3 is to 5 is to 7, 5 and perimeter is 300, find the area. So as I earlier said, it is a lengthy question. If you can do all the 4 parts, you need not do the 5th part, but you should learn it. So perimeter is given. First you have to find the sides. So 3 plus 5 plus 7, it will be how much? Your 15x. So 15x is equal to 300. This is one mark question, so I'm not making it lengthy. I'm writing in very short form. So x is equal to your 200. Then sides are, one is 3x is equal to 60. Another side is 5x, that will be 100. Another side is 7x, that will be 140. I'll multiply 20 in all the things. Then s is 300 by 2, that will be 150. Now put in the formula, that will be 150. Oh my god, this is a, so the area is equal to your 150 multiplies 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100, 150 minus 140. Then this will be 150 multiplies 90 multiplies 50 multiplies 10. So you can see many zeros. So this I am not factorizing. 10 I am keeping as it is. So 150 I'll write 3 into 5, 15 into 10. 90 I'll make 3 multiplies 3 into 10. 50 I'll make 5 into 10. And 10 is your 10. Next I'll make pair. Out of these two 10 I'll take 1. Out of these two 10 I'll take another 10. And there are 2 3s, 1 3. There are 2 5s, so I'll take 1 5 outside. So inside under root there will be 3. Now you multiply this 4, it will be 1500 root 3. Your centimeter square, meter square. So what is the answer? Again, third part is the answer. So for E, third is the answer, 1500 root 3. Now coming to question number 18. Question number 18 is based on graph. Students of class 9 are on a visit to Sansad Bhavan. Teacher assigned them the activity to observe, take some picture of, analyze the seating arrangement between the various MP and speaker based on coordinate geometry. The staff's tour guide explained various facts related to maths in Sansad Bhavan to the students. Students were surprised when teacher asked them to need to apply coordinate geometry to the sitting arrangement of MPs and speaker. Calculate the following, refer to the image of the graph. Image I have not copied here. It is in the question paper. You can collect, answer the following questions. What is the coordinate of position F? What is, 4 options are given. What are the coordinates of position D, Four options are given. What are the coordinates of position H? Again, four options are given. Then your what in which quadrant point C lies? Four options are given. Find the perpendicular distance of E from y axis. So we'll go one by one. First is, let us see where is F. F is here. So what is its coordinate? 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, 2, 3. So this point is minus 4, comma 3. Minus 4, comma 3. So D is answer. For part A, 1, your D is answer. Coming to second part, what is the coordinate of position D? D is here. So it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 1, minus 2. So this will be minus 3, minus 2. Minus 3, minus 2. So for second part, your B is answer. What are the coordinates of position H? H is here. So we'll go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. It is in between 4 and 5. So H is equal to your 8, 4.5. So B is answer. Next, coming to fourth part, in which quadrant C lies? C is in which quadrant? This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3. This is quadrant 4th. So C is in quadrant 4th. D is answer. Fifth one, find the perpendicular distance of the point E from y-axis. E is here. Perpendicular distance from y-axis means this is same as your this distance, x value. It is 10. This distance is 10. So 10 is the answer for fifth. B is answer. Question number 19. The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as coronavirus pandemic, it is a ongoing pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019, caused in severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. It was first determined December 2019 in Wuhan, China. During survey, the ages of 80 patients infected by COVID and admitted in the one of the city hospital was recorded. Collected data is represented in the less cumulative frequency table. Cumulative frequency distribution table. Based on this information, the class interval with your the class interval with the highest frequency is 45 to 55, 35 to 45, 25 to 35, 55 to 25. What is the age group was infected the least? It will be 35 to 45, 25 to 35, 55 to 65, and 45 to 55. What is the class mark of this class interval which is affected the most? 30, 40, 50, 60. How many patients of the age group 45 years and above were admitted? 61, 19, 14, 23. How many patients of the age group 35 years and less are admitted? So you have to see the table very minutely. So these are the class intervals. 5 to 15, number of patients 6, 15 to 25, 11, 25 to 35, 21, 35 to 45, 23, 45 to 55, 14, 55 to 65, 5. So part 1, the class interval with highest frequency. You have to find where is the, this is the frequency. Where is the frequency? This is your frequency, highest frequency, 23. So what is the age group? It is 35 to 45. So this is the answer for part A. A is equal to second, that will be 35 to 45. Second part, which age group was affected least? Least is this one, less. So this group is 55 to 65. So B part is the your third part. What is the answer? 55 to 65. What is the class mark of the class interval which affected most? Affected most was 35 to 45. And what is class mark? Class mark is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Here lower limit is 35, upper limit is 45 divided by 2. How much it will be? It will be 80 by 2, that will be 40. Or this is the mid value of 45 and 35 and 45. So it will be 40. For C, your second is the answer. Next, how many patients of age 45 years and above were admitted? 45 and more than 45. So 45 starts from here, more than 45. So you will add these two, 45 and above. That means from 55 to 65 will also be counted. So 14 plus 5, that will be 19. So for D part, your for D, second is answer, that will be 19, 45 and above. Similarly, for E, how many patients of age group 35 and less was dependent? 35 and less. 35 and less will be these three. 35 less means your 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35. So you will add all this. 6 plus 11 plus 21. How much it will be? 38. So for E part, your second is answer 38. Next, coming to question number 20. On his birthday, Monoz planned that this time he celebrates his birthday with a small orphanage center. He bought apples to give to the children and adults working there. Monoz donated 2 apples to each children and 3 apples to each adult working there along with the birthday cake. He distributed 60 total apples. How to represent the above situation in linear equations in two variables by taking the number of children as x and number of adults as y. The options are given: 2x plus y is 60, 2x plus 3y is 60, 3x plus 2y is 60, 3x plus y is 60. If the number of children are 15, the number of adults are how much? 10, 15, 25, 20. If the number of adults is 12, find the number of children: 12, 15, 14, 18. Find the value of b if x equal to 5, y is equal to 0. Is a solution of the equation 3x plus 5y is equal to b. 12, 15, 14, 18. Which is the standard form of linear equation in two variable y minus x is equal to 5? The options are given. 1x plus 1y is equal to 0. 1x minus 1y plus y is 0. 1x plus 0y plus 5 is 0. 1x minus 1y minus 5 is 0. So let us go one by one. First is, if you needed, you can read the questions again. Monoz is donating 2 apples to children and number of children is taken as x. So number of apple given to the children is twice x. In the same way, he is giving 3 apples to adult. For how many adult? Y number of adult. So total number of apples given to your adult is 3 times of y. Then their sum is, total apple is how much? Total apple is 60. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 60. So each person is getting two, each child is getting 2 apples. So there are x number of students. So they will get how many apples? It will be 2x. Similarly, 3 apples are given to the adult. There are y. So they will get 3y. And their sum is equal to total 60 total apples. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 60. 2x plus 3y is equal to 60. 2x plus 3y is equal to 60. So where is the answer? Answer is third. So for A, third part is the answer. This should be very correct. Otherwise, next part will be wrong. Next, if the number of children is 15, find the number of adults. So let us recall the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 60. Now it is given that children are 15. That means x is equal to 15. Put in this equation and find your y, that is number of adults. So what I'll do, I'll write 2 into 15 plus 3y is equal to 60. This is, I'm solving part B. Or 30 plus 3y is equal to 60. Or 3y is equal to 60 minus 30, that will be 30. So when 3y is equal to 30, how much is y? Y is equal to 30 divided by 3, that will be 10. So number of adults will be 10. For part B, the answer is first, that will be 10. Now coming to part C. In C it says that number of adult is 10. That means y is 10. Put in the same equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 60. I'll put y is equal to 10. Then it will be twice x plus 3 into 10 is equal to 60, or 2x plus 30 is equal to 60. This gives you 2x is equal to 30 or x is equal to 15. So number of adult was 12. Is a very great mistake I have done. I'm extremely sorry. It will be 12. Y will be 12. Y will be 12. Let me correct it. Y is equal to 12. Then I'll make 12 here. This will be 36. Then 2x is equal to 60 minus 36, that will be 14, or twice x is equal to 14, or x is equal to your 7. 3 times of 12, 36 is equal to 60. Then 2x plus 36 is equal to 60. 2x is equal to 14. Then x is equal to 7. By mistake, the option is not there. It should be 7. X is equal to should be 7. It should not be 7. Because if we'll take this equation, I'm verifying why I'm saying it is 7, why not 14 or any other options. I'm showing the how to check the answer. The equation was 2x plus 3y is equal to your 60. So when I'm putting your adult are 12, then it's 24 plus, I'm solving this again. First is your 2x plus 3y is equal to 60. For the first part, I am children is 15. I am putting x is equal to 15 here. Then it will be 2 into 15 plus 3y is equal to 60. So this gives me 3y plus 30 is equal to 60. Then 3y is equal to 60 minus 30, 30, or y is equal to 10. So for B part, your 10 is the answer. Now coming to C part, here adults y is equal to 12. So 2x plus 3 into 12 is equal to 60. Then 2x plus 36 is equal to your 60. So 2 times of x is equal to 60 minus 36. It is equal to 24. Or x is equal to 24 divided by 12. That 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. So number of children is your 12. Now let us verify. 2x plus 3y is equal to 60. When I put children is equal to 12, adult is also 12, then it will be your 24 plus 36, it is 60. So number of children is 12. So C is equal to your part 1 is the answer. Next, find the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0 in the solution of this equation B. You have to find the value of B. Put x is equal to how much? Put x is equal to your 5 and put y is equal to 0 in this equation. Find B for D part. So it will be 3 into 5 plus 5 into 0 is equal to B. So B is equal to 15. 15 is the answer. So for D part, third is the answer. Coming to E part, which is the standard form of linear equation. Y minus 5 is equal to y minus x is equal to 5. Then y, how to write this in standard form? So 1 into y minus 1 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. And we sometimes write x as positive. So I'll write x into 1 into x minus 1 into y plus 5 is 0. So I changed or multiplied a negative sign in all the case. So I am getting 1.x plus minus 1.y plus 1.5 is 0. So where is the answer? D part, E part is the answer. So E is equal to second is the answer. I hope you have understood. Sorry for inconvenience. I made a simple mistake in the subtraction, so I had to repeat. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning mathematics.